Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the basics are already done. Update Windows, the Xbox app, and Minecraft so versions match Microsoft servers. Once done, verify your Microsoft account credentials and two-step verification status so you don't get blocked midway. Now sign out of the Xbox or Microsoft Store app and fully restart your device to clear cached tokens. This forces a clean authentication flow. From here, open the Xbox app and prepare to sign in with the correct account when prompted. Sign into the Xbox app first, because Minecraft uses Xbox Live Auth. Choose the exact Microsoft account tied to your purchase. When prompted, accept all permission and privacy dialogues so tokens are issued correctly. If the flow opens a browser for multi-factor authentication or a device code, finish verification there and allow the login to return to the app. Make sure the return token appears in the Xbox app account area. This token is what Minecraft will use to authorize play. Open Minecraft and check the top right for your Xbox gamer tag. That confirms successful auth. If you still see sign-in errors, clear Minecraft app data and cached credentials, then relaunch. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall to reset faulty tokens. If problems persist, try signing in on another device or switch networks. This rules out local firewall or ISP blocks. Finally, if you get specific error codes, note them and retry after 10 minutes, because token propagation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.